What's good, guys? It's Ron's Rides. Really quick before I get started, the pictures of Miggy and his coat, his Maserati coat that he won me, are right here. Thanks, Miggy, for participating. Thank you for everyone for participating in the giveaway. New giveaway coming. It will probably be next video. So after this video, look for the new giveaway for the year. We'll have that coming up. But thank you, Miggy, and everybody's gonna win something. You just gotta enter the giveaways. Appreciate it. I am in the 2018 Maserati Gran Turismo or Gran Cabrio Sport. You see this here? You see this here? I'm gonna cut to the chase. Okay, and I want you to watch this video that I was tagged in on Instagram and explain that to me, okay? Watch the video.
All right, so there's two ways that this can go up. One is contextually. So as you can see, it's giving me a notification that I need to be someplace.
Yeah.
So with just a simple gesture, then the application can tell the platform that this is best experienced in full navigation view. So it raises the display automatically.
Very cool.
So do you want to take some pictures of this?
Okay, so I'm as confused about this as you guys are. Apparently that's some sort of concept Maserati Gran Turismo partnered with Harman Kardon. If you guys didn't know, Harman Kardon does a lot. Hold on, let's see if that can zoom in. Okay, hold on, or focus. Harman Kardon does a lot of the sound systems for the Maseratis. So apparently that was some kind of Harman Kardon concept on technology and infotainment. The cluster was different. The infotainment here was different. All this was all the way across. I am really confused on what I just saw. I don't have any explanation behind it. One thing that kind of threw me off was the steering wheel was still the old steering wheel for the Gran Turismo, which has been the same for years and years. So if that's the 2019, obviously it has to change the steering wheel, right? Maybe they're just using the older models as a test module. So that's the reason why the steering wheel isn't different, obviously. But if that is a concept version of what the 2019 Gran Turismo may be, because I heard they're changing it for 2019, and we're gonna have the updated version, which may not even be called the Gran Turismo. We don't know yet, but I'm very confused on what I just saw, and I wanted to be inside of one to show you guys just from that video, and you can scroll back to it, to what you're looking at here, how different everything was. I mean, screen all the way across, the screen here, like, is it too much? Is it overkill? Is it something that you think it takes away from the character of Maserati? Probably. We'll see. They might just be testing a bunch of things out, and they might only implement some. You guys know how concepts go, like with Ferrari. Yeah, I just wanted to show that to you guys because I got tagged in it on Instagram with no real explanation. So if you guys know something other than I do, let me know, because we all need to probably be filled in, or maybe I just need to be filled in on what I just saw as far as that video. I don't even know how old it is. It might be old. Who knows? So I wanted to show that to you guys and just get some answers. So this has been a Maserati Minute, and please help me figure out if that is the 2019 Gran Turismo replacement. Let me know in the comments, guys. If you like the video and you like the secret spy shot or whatever you want to call that thing, give the video a like. Subscribe if you want to see more Maserati Alfa Romeo amateur videos, and drop that comment. Please tell me what's going on here. I will talk to you guys when I have recovered. Until then, peace.